Step into the Ford 2016 Explorer Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, phone voice activated, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, parking sensors rear, parking sensors front and security remote anti-theft alarm system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.